Today we're going to work on comparing numbers using both symbols and comparative language. So first, I need to count my number. So count with me. 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. So my first number is 116. Now let's count our next number. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. This number is 84. Now, I must compare these numbers. So if I start with 116, I see that I have a 1 in the hundreds place. If I come to 84, I don't have a number in the 100s place. I only have a number in the tens place and the ones place. So that tells me that 116 is greater than 84. So I would start by writing 116 is greater than 84. And then I know that whenever I use my symbols, the two dots go on the number that's biggest, and then the one dot goes to the smaller number, and then I connect my dot, and it says 116 is greater than 84. Let's try another one. We need to count our number again. Count with me. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. This number is 109. Now, count this number with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. This number is 73. Now if I look at these two numbers again, I see that there's a 1 in the hundreds place, but there's not a number in the hundreds place in the number 73. So then again, I know 109 is greater than 73. So then I can use my symbols down here. This one is greater than 109. It's greater than 73. All right, last one. Count it with me. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. So this number is 109. Count this number with me. 100, 110, 111, 112. Now, when I compare these two numbers, I see they both have a 1 in the hundreds place. This number has a 0 in the tens place, but this one has a 1 in the tens place. So I know that 0 is less than 1, so then 109 is less than 112. I'll add in my symbol. Here's my less than symbol. 109 is less than 112.